Good morning. It is 4:40 in the morning and I am on the way to Kings Island and I could not be more excited. I do have an 8-hour drive though and I'm not excited for that, but let's go. No idea where I am in Ohio, but I think I have hour 40 left. This is the second stop getting gas, so I'll be there soon. I'm looking forward to it, getting really tired though. Ladies and gentlemen, look where we are. Finally made it. Kings Island. Woke up at 4 this morning, drove 7.5 hours here. Drive was beautiful. I am so excited to go in. I can't believe I'm here. Considering I was terrified of roller coasters a couple months ago, and now I'm in Mason, Ohio to ride some of the best rides in the world. This is one of the best parks in the world, if not the best park in the world. I cannot tell you all how excited I am. It is a little windy today, all right? That's the one concern I have. But this is part one of a 2-day road trip. I think you can guess where I'm going next for opening day. Dude, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Let's freaking go. Ladies and gentlemen, we have officially made it into the park. This place is sick. Kings Dominion is one of my home parks, so like, I should know this pretty well, but like, this is way nicer than Kings Dominion. Like, what? This entrance is way sicker. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, they were not lying when they said this place was like very, just like the vibes are insane here. Wait, like really, really chill. It's in the middle of nowhere though. I think we're gonna head to Diamondback because it's right here. Looks like Thunderstriker.
First ride of the day, the Beast! Oh, shoot! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Good airtime there. Oh! Okay. Whoa! Woohoo! Oh, splash out. Oh, great ride.
So we just did Diamondback twice. We did it front row and then we did it back row. Back row's way better. The drop is so much better. The airtime is insane. That has to be my favorite hyper. Unbelievable. I think we're about to go do Mystic Timber, so let's go.
Oh, no, not on this ride. Oh! Oh my God. Oh! Oh! Oh, no! Oh! What the? Oh! No way. Oh! 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 Oh, over the water. What? Oh my
Restricted area.
gosh.
Don't go in the shed.
Uh-oh.
This is a restricted area. This is a
Right.
get stuck.
Getting stuck on Mystic Timbers. Mystic Timbers is completely overrated. I do not like it that much. It's fine, but like, dude, I thought it was gonna be so much better. The shed at the end was just not great. But I think we're gonna go do Orion. I'm looking forward to Orion compared to Fury and Pantherian. I threw a 5, but like, I've heard it's not great. So we'll see. Oh, this is unbelievable. I come 8 hours and the Beast is closed. Dude, look at this. Oh, I wanted to get, oh my gosh, bro. Yeah, there's a train up there. Train stuck on the lift hill, unbelievable. Whatever. Rumor has it the Beast is gonna open later. Hold on. Just a side note, by the way, the operations here have been Mystic Timbers was good. Diamondback, not that great. We've only got on 2 rides. Like, that's unbelievable. I thought there were better rides here. Great time, great park, great atmosphere though, I will say. Area 72 for Orion, here we go. I'm very excited for this.
Baby, I'll let your hair go so fast.
Uh-oh, they got us on the sonar, or the heat wave sensor. You know what's funny? I have done this in Roblox, so this looks so familiar to me. This whole line thing right here, it's literally the exact same thing, but I've never been here in person. This is ridiculous. I can't lie, they clicked with the theme here. This theme is great. Oh!
Oh, that part's sick. Oh! What the? Oh! Whoa!
Orion, we did it in the front row. Then we did the back row. The drop's way better. The wave turns sick. That's probably my favorite part. The drop is crazy, I'm not gonna lie. But it's way too short. They're right about that. Like, when people said that, I didn't really believe it, but honestly, it's so short. All right, next ride of the day, we're probably gonna go to Banshee. I'm very excited for Banshee, and I'm very excited for that drop on Banshee. This might be the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. The line for Racer 75 is out the gate. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, that is crazy. Like, what? Who's waiting for Racer 75 like that? No way. Dude, what is that? That is the sketchiest thing I've ever seen in my life. Hello? Is that legit?
Welcome back to winners. How was that ride?
Bro, this place is beautiful. Like, I feel like no other Six Flags / Cedar Fair park has this. I don't know. This is sick.
No way! Oh! No! Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh! Woo! Oh my gosh, this thing is forceful. Oh! Oh! What the? Dude!
That's so much better than Alpha, guys. Banshee's incredible. The first drop's insane. Like, all the elements on it are insane. It does crush your nuts. That's the one ick I have about it. And we're about to do Delirium now. This thing, whatever this thing is, this spinning thing. And that big swing thing, that thing's so fun. My God, those rides are so underrated. They need to add this to more parks. Bro, what do they think? This is Busch Gardens? This ain't Fest House. Some shitty Fest House. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been an amazing day at Kings Island. I don't know if it was worth an 8-hour drive, but this was not the main objective. Tomorrow, stay tuned. That's what we're looking for. Very excited. Let's just say I have a 3.5-hour drive. And then maybe one of the biggest coasters in the country, in the world. Maybe. Hopefully it's open. But that's what our goal is. So, Kings Island, great time. Enjoyed it. I'll be back probably a year, maybe. We'll see. If you haven't been here, definitely pull up. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.